Have you ever been in a situation where you click a bunch of photos and you got that perfect photo for posting it in the social media, and then you look at the background? No, not this background. The background in your photo, and you think it is not worth posting it to the social media because of the background. Today we are going to change that by throwing the background away and putting a new background into play, blending them together and creating a new photo with the new background. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump right into the video. If you search for sky replacement, change the background or any other keyword in YouTube, there are a lot of videos which show you how to do it. But this technique is different. It is called photo composting. In other videos, basically, they show you how to add the background on the existing background of the photo. But in this technique, we will remove the whole background and then add a new one. This gives you more accuracy over the sky. The first thing you need to do is import the photo into Snapseed and change the image to black and white using the color filter blue. Why blue? Because this helps in separating the background and the foreground perfectly. The second step is to apply the curves, and here increase the highlights until you get a clear white background. Then decrease the shadows to get a black foreground. Make sure that the sky is completely white. If you find some white patches in the foreground, apply the curves again and bring down the anchor point to 0. Now go to the edit stack icon and select view edits. There, go to curves and select the stacks brush. Here, mask on the white portions in the foreground. Remember not to mask the background. Make sure that the background is completely white and the foreground is completely black. And the next step is to add the original image. Using the blending mode, lighten. What this does is, it removes the background completely. Here, if you are adding a night sky to the background, apply the curves and make the photo a little darker to make it look a little night-ish. Change the brightness based on your photo. Now, save this photo. This is required afterwards. After it is saved, set it aside and go to the edit stack icon and view edits. Here, delete the last 2 edits. Or if you have not done any changes after the double exposure, delete only the double exposure. Now, apply the curves again and change the image to negative. Now, the black part of the image is white and the white part is black. Then, add the sky background using double exposure in tools. And choose the blending mode, add. What this does is, it adds the image only in the black parts. You can adjust and scale it up or scale it down based on your requirements. And add the previously saved image. Here it is. And select the blending mode, subtract. So this adds the image only in the white parts. So you have successfully replaced this sky. Now you can adjust the photo a bit and voila, your photo has a new background. Now
Let's use some selective filter to tune the image a little more. As you can see, the bottom part of the image has more brightness. So let's decrease that. You can copy and paste this filter anywhere. Now the image is completely changed. You can go ahead and export the image. This will process and save it in your gallery.
Here are some other examples. You can even change the foreground instead of the background. It's up to you what do you want to do. So, this concludes the video. Like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.